Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make summer rolls. First, gather your fresh ingredients like shrimp, vermicelli noodles, and crisp vegetables. We'll cover selecting the best produce to ensure vibrant flavors and textures. Next, prepare your fillings by cooking the shrimp and noodles, then thinly slicing your chosen vegetables. Finally, ensure you have a shallow dish for dipping rice paper and a clean workspace ready for assembly. Now, let's get those delicious fillings ready. For the shrimp, quickly sauté them for about 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Next, prepare your vermicelli noodles by soaking them in hot water for approximately 10 minutes until they are tender, then drain them well. Finally, thinly slice your fresh vegetables, like cucumbers and carrots, into 2-inch matchsticks for easy rolling and a beautiful presentation. The key to a perfect summer roll is in the technique. First, gently dip one rice paper wrapper into warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's pliable but not too soft. Lay it flat on your clean surface. Next, arrange a small amount of your prepared fillings, including shrimp, noodles, and vegetables, neatly across the bottom third of the wrapper. Then, fold the sides inward and roll tightly from the bottom up, creating a firm, beautiful cylinder. Your delicious homemade summer rolls are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with a side of your favorite peanut dipping sauce or a sweet chili sauce for an extra burst of flavor. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 day to maintain freshness. For those looking to simplify meal prep, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.